Hello, today I'm going to discuss a quick demo on how to work the ISL28022 starter kit. In your starter kit you receive 3 boards. 1, a dongle board, 2, an R-load board, and 3, a generic non-configured ISL28022. The dongle board has a microcontroller in the back and 3 DPMs connected to it. The circuitry around this converts the USB power to a set supply voltage. The first one converts it from 5 volts from the USB power to 3.3. The second one is USB power to 12 volts. Third one is USB power to a point of load voltage. You can choose the point of load voltage from the GUI. Connecting this by itself doesn't really measure any current from the power supplies without any load. The R-load board connected to the dongle will exercise each of the power supplies. The R-load board has 3 DCPs on it. They're ISL28022. The user can configure to use the DCP to load the power supplies, or they can connect the power supplies to an auxiliary circuit. For this purpose today, I connected a heavier load to the auxiliary circuit. Now next we will connect the USB to the dongle and with the ISL R-load board. And choose the software. After selecting the software pops up a dialog box, single site demo software, ISL28022. To connect the PC to the dongle, you press the connect to device. If you successfully connected, you would see a disconnect to device. You press that button again, you would disconnect the PC from the dongle. The dongle in the software senses what's connected to the dongle board at the other end. If it's a ISL28022 non-configured, the front panel will be highlighted and enabled. If it isn't, then the front panel is disabled, shown. In this case, it sensed that the R-load board is connected to the dongle. To start the demo, press Start R-load. 2 dialog boxes or 2 windows appear. One being just a window that monitors the supply voltage, 3.3, 12, and point of load. Press it once, you can see 3.3, 12, and 2.5. If you want to adjust the point of load voltage, you can by pressing the combo box and adjusting it. In this case, I'll choose 0.8. And as you can see, 800 millivolts appears on the point of load measured. The user has the option to make their own voltage at the point of load by populating a resistor from populating the resistor in R7 of the dongle board and choosing the aux selection. The selection, how to select the voltage and choosing the right resistor value is discussed in the paper write-up of the starter kit. Next, an R-load adjust board. So by selecting the jumpers to pin 1 and 2 to short, you're routing the power supplies to the DCP. This dialog box controls the DCP ohmic resistance. Entering in values within the range of the R loads required for each of the loads and pressing apply will change the value of the DCP. Measuring once again, we'll see that the values have changed, the current values. Oops. There you go. As you can see, the current value has changed. So this is a quick exercise of showing how to exercise the ISL22 and what it does real quickly. Next we will connect the non-configured ISL28022.